I know the sun is casting stark shadows, but it's such a beautiful day. I wanted to be outside today. The BBC reported today that Mark Zuckerberg wants Facebook to become an online metaverse, as he calls it. He wants to transform Facebook from a social media network to a metaverse company in the next 5 years. He wants users to work, play games, and communicate in a virtual world, often using more user-friendly VR headsets. Zuckerberg described it as, quote, an embodied internet where instead of just viewing content, you are in it, unquote. While it sounds very cool, many of us have zero trust in Zuckerberg and Facebook about how they handle our information. The article in BBC.com says that the idea behind it is in the gathering and utilization of data. Verity McIntosh, a VR expert at the University of the West of England, told BBC, "Now it's not just about where I click and what I choose to share, it's about where I choose to go, how I stand, what I look at for the longest, the subtle ways that I physically move my body and react to certain stimuli. It's a direct route to my subconscious, and that is gold to a data capitalist." And this is where we need to be more than careful, very suspicious, and even resistant. You know as well as I that this is all about power and control. Facebook wants to dictate how you think, what you value, what you decide, and they want to control what you think. Of course, the idea will sell because it's cool, but it should be shut down because it ultimately is a strategy to control you. Tell me what you think. Let's talk about it.